নমস্কার বন্ধুরা, এডুকেশন কালচার ইউটিউব চ্যানেলে তোমাদের প্রত্যেককে স্বাগতম। তোমাদের ম্যাকআউটের সেমিস্টার এক্সামের সাজেশান নিয়ে চলে এলাম 2026 সালের খুব গুরুত্বপূর্ণ টেকনিক্যাল ইংলিশ অ্যান্ড কমিউনিকেশন স্কিলসের। আজকের আমাদের আলোচনার বিষয় হচ্ছে তোমাদের এই ম্যাকআউট ইংলিশ সাজেশনের লাস্ট ইউনিট বা ইউনিট 5 নিয়ে, যেখানে আমরা সাজেশান বলবো রাইটিং প্র্যাকটিসেস অল ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং অ্যান্ড টেকনোলজি রিলেটেড ট্রেডসের স্টুডেন্টদের জন্য এটা ইম্পর্টেন্ট। 5.1 কম্প্রিহেনশন থেকে কিন্তু এটার প্রশ্নগুলো সাজানো হয়েছে। এক্সাম প্যাটার্ন নোট তোমরা জানো। ম্যাকআউট টিপিক্যালি প্রোভাইডস অ্যান আনসিন টেকনিক্যাল অর সোশিও ইকোনমিক প্যাসেজ around 300 to 400 words, followed by text based questions testing vocabulary, analytical capacity and direct reference extraction. Core practice questions: read a given technical passage regarding renewable energy integration or cyber security protocols and answer the following question. Provide a suitable and concise title for the passage based on its central theme. Explain specific structural terminology or contextual idioms used by the author within the text block. Answer direct analytical questions testing your ability to extract empirical data or core inferences from the passage paragraphs. Precise writing. Question 1 Theory. State the three fundamental rules an engineer must strictly follow while drafting a professional thesis. What is the standard mathematical proportion of thesis relative to the original text length? Question number 2 Application based. Draft a precise summary. Precise of provided 300 word passage. The impact of Industry 4.0 on manufacturing automation. Rules reminder. Reduce the text to exactly one third of its original length. Write it entirely in your own words. Avoid direct quotes and provide a clear mandatory title. Okay. Next, essay writing. 5.3 essay writing. Exam tip. I expect a mix of contemporary technological, economic and environmental themes. Write in a formal, objective and structured layout consisting of a clear introduction, body, arguments and conclusion. Around 250 to 300 words. High probability session topics for 2026 exam. The role of artificial intelligence in engineering education, pros and cons. E-waste management, a growing challenge for the digital era. Sustainable Development Goals SDGs and the role of modern engineering. 5.4 are business letters, cover letters and CVs emails. Question number 3 Formal business letters. You are working as a junior engineer at a construction firm. Write a formal business letter to a vendor, example ABC Steel Enterprises, placing a bulk order for specialized fabrication materials. Followed the complete block format including standard letter elements, data, inside address, subject, salutations, body and complementary clause. Question number 4 Cover letter and CV. Job application. Draft a professional cover letter addressing to the HR manager of a top tier tech or engineering company in response to an advertisement for the post of graduate engineer trainee GET. Accompanying this letter, prepare a structured modern chronological curriculum vitae CV highlighting your educational details, technical skills, tech, academic projects and industrial training background. Question number 5 Professional email. Write a corporate email to your project team leader requesting a rescheduling of the weekly technical review meeting due to an ongoing maintenance breakdown at a project site. Evaluation parameters. Your answer will be evaluated on the absolute clarity of the subject line. Appropriate professional greetings, concise body content and standard email signatures. End of the session. Follow correct layout formats and professional tones to secure full marks in writing practices section. Thank you everyone.